Headed for Greece today on Kitchen Guy. I'm going to show you how to make my famous Greek shrimp appetizer. And I start by heating some olive oil in a large skillet, and we'll dump in some very thinly sliced red onions, some red and green bell pepper sticks. I've got about a half a cup of Kalamata olives that I've chopped up, 2 tomatoes that I've diced, along with some crushed red pepper flakes and some dried oregano. Mix that all around and we'll let it cook for a few minutes. Now once the tomatoes start breaking down, go ahead and add a cup of tomato sauce and then let it simmer for another 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm going to add some crumbled feta cheese along with some ouzo, which is a Greek liqueur. And if you don't have that, you can use vodka. But if you don't want to use alcohol, you can actually substitute crushed fennel seeds. And you can taste it for seasoning now. If you want it spicier, go ahead and make it spicier. Now spoon the mixture into serving dishes and place those dishes on a baking tray. Then top with some raw shrimp. And then you can add some additional feta if you'd like, and then place it under the broiler and then let them go until the shrimp are cooked through. Now once the shrimp have cooked through, go ahead and sprinkle some freshly chopped oregano, and then go ahead and serve your beautiful Greek shrimp appetizer. Now you can get this recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click over to the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.